Learn to spell part 9.
Hey kids, welcome to the Toy Mermaid Show. Today it's part number 9.
It is. It's part 9 spelling words.
At the end, we're going to open this character at Guardians of the Galaxy. I don't know his name, but he's super little. Yeah.
Well, he's a little strange looking, isn't he?
Yeah, he's like a tree.
Yeah.
Because he has little cracks in him on his face.
Oh. So is that what you're going to unbox at the end of your spelling words? Is that your special prize at the end of your spelling words?
Yeah, because he's a tree. Trees don't wear clothes or a badge.
And he's super cool, isn't he?
Well, because there's another tree and it has the look same as this guy.
Oh yeah,
I'm gonna show you in the back.
The great big one. He is super cool.
Yeah, he lights up too.
Okay. Well, Landon, are you ready to begin your spelling words?
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready? All right.
That says yes.
Okay, that's a yes. Cut. C-U-T. Cut. First word is cut.
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 Cut. Well, this is gonna be perfect, guys.
Cut. Cut. Are you ready for your next word?
Yes.
Okay. But. B-U-T. But. Landon, are you ready for your next word?
Yes.
Okay, your next word is but. All right. But. But. Are you ready for your next word?
Yes.
Okay. Hut. H-U-T. Hut. Your next word is hut. Hut.
Like Pizza Hut.
Yes, like Pizza Hut.
I
Hut.
really love pizza. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Hut. Hut. What is that?
Thumbs up,
Thumbs up?
thumbs down.
Thumbs down.
If I write it wrong, that means thumbs down. If I write it right, that means thumbs up.
Oh, very good. Hopefully it's all thumbs up. Okay. Are you ready for your next word?
Yeah.
Okay. Shut. S-H-U-T. Shut. Your next word is shut. Shut.
Okay, I'm doing it.
Shut.
Oh, I'm doing it. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Shut. Shut. Okay. Are you ready for your next word?
Yes.
MUTT. M-U-T-T. MUTT. Okay. Your next word is MUTT. MUTT.
Okay, I'm doing it. Okay, M-U-T-T.
Correct. MUTT. MUTT. Are you ready for your next word?
Yep.
R. A-R-E-R. Your next word is R.
A. Please don't make a big tail.
R.
Yes, not a
R.
R. O. Straight line up. Just keep messing up.
It's okay.
That was just a circle? Really? R. E.
R. R. Are you ready for your last word? From. F. R. O. M. From. Okay. Your last word is from. 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 From.
Now we're going to open this little guy. He's so cute.
Oh my goodness, looks like a little baby tree.
Yeah, he is a baby little tree.
Okay, well, let's open it up.
He just acts.
He is a member of the Guardians of Galaxy.
Okay.
Can you get it?
It's easy.
Okay.
I got him out of the box.
You did?
And this is what it looks like.
Oh my goodness, his arms move. He looks pretty good.
Now, where's his toes?
He's a tree, so those are not toes.
Then,
They're his toes.
oh, these are his toes.
Yeah. How about that?
Why does he look like a really tree?
He really does look like a tree,
Oh,
doesn't
He
he?
can't move his toes.
No, his clothes don't really move. They're on there permanently.
But you can move the arms, and you can move the
Move
clothes.
the arms,
Ooh.
move the legs.
You can't move the legs. You don't want to move the head.
Oh my
I
goodness.
can see from here. He
Oh,
doesn't see from here.
oh, his head kind of turns far, don't it?
Yeah, because he's a tree.
Yes, he is a tree.
Ow, ow, you hurting my neck. Didn't work. Ah. Do backflip. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Thank you for watching my video. Bye, kids. I'll see you next time. Stomp, 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 stomp.